My name is Alissa Carlino, and I'm from Wyomissing, Pennsylvania, and I've been diagnosed with celiac disease for 5 years. I was ultimately diagnosed with celiac after being hospitalized a few times in different states, probably for ingesting too much gluten, and my body just couldn't take it anymore. So eventually I went to the digestive disease, and I saw a PA who said, "I can't believe nobody's tested you for celiac," which I did, and I got diagnosed. My biggest struggle with celiac disease is watching my daughter suffer as well, because she also was diagnosed approximately 4 years ago. A cure would mean everything to me and the thousands of people who also suffer from celiac disease.